Here is the world's first electric unmanned helicopter. T-629 is to be produced by TAI, a defense company in Turkey. The helicopter, whose first prototype was produced, is planned to start mass production soon. The T-629, a mid-range helicopter, will be equipped with Turkish-made weapons and radars. Turkey's industrial unmanned aerial vehicles is growing stronger. In case of a new World War models evolving toward the Turkey, the leader of this transformation. Make sure to subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.